Just show everyone at home. This is essentially 15% across the board tariff, so we're going to get some more income. No tariff on U.S. exports to the EU. Cool. $600 billion invested in the U.S. That's almost like the Japanese sovereign fund that they put into our country. I think that's $700 billion. But now they got to get $750 billion of American energy. I think a lot of that's natural gas. You studied this stuff. You know about the relationships between the EU and the U.S. What does it mean to you?
Listen, it's a good deal. Thank God we got it out of the way. They're our biggest trading partner, and if we had massive tariffs on their goods and they put tariffs on our goods, that type of trade war would not be good for the U.S. economy. I think the markets are going to like this deal. Now, let's just break down what you said. The stuff that they're buying from us, they probably would have bought anyway, Brian, to be real honest with you. They're cutting back on Russian natural gas, obviously, for a lot of reasons. They're building out their military because of Russian expansionism. So that they were going to do that anyway. And when you say we get 15%, true, but that means U.S. consumers are paying 15% more too. So it's kind of like a tax increase on U.S. consumers. That's one way to look at this.